Welcome. Let's take a moment to center ourselves. You are invited to adjust your body to get comfortable. You might roll your shoulders and neck, or gently shake your arms to loosen any tension. If you are sitting, you might shift your posture so you have both feet on the floor or ground. If it is comfortable for you, close your eyes or simply lower your gaze. Take a slow, steady breath in. Hold for a moment and slowly breathe out. Bring your attention to the sounds around you, near or far. Notice the sounds as they rise and fall. The quiet rhythm of the room, the space around you. Maybe a faint hum, a voice in the distance, or the sound of silence itself. Let each sound be just what it is, simply noticing, open and curious. You're invited to take another deep breath, this time tuning inward. Notice your own breath. Breathe in, hold for a moment. Notice your own presence, and slowly breathe out. One more breath in, hold, and slowly breathe out. When you are ready, gently open your eyes or lift your gaze. Carrying that grounded awareness, openness, and calm with you. May you have an open heart, an open mind, and an open soul. Thank you for being here.